Welcome back to Cooking with My Girl. Hey y'all, welcome back to Cooking with My Girls. Today we are making 4th of July
pancakes.
Red, white, and blue, baby. So what we got here?
So we got the pancake mix right here.
Yeah.
And we have the food coloring that we're gonna mix some of these little bowls.
All right, so
We got the grill heated.
We already got the grill heated. All right. We don't like to use the spray butter. We don't like it. We just use the regular butter. Then we're gonna add some cinnamon to our pancakes.
To make it so good.
Making some cinnamon pancakes here. Just a dash. You getting them spiced up. Don't forget to
like, share, subscribe.
Don't forget to hit the notification button, y'all, with Cooking with My Girls. So when we're coming with our latest videos and our scrumptious, delicious meals, you guys would be a part of it. All right? Like, share, subscribe. All right, so let's get it popping, baby. Spread them out. All right, y'all. So we put some fresh butter on there. Spread it out. All out. It was looking burnt. We don't want no bono pancake. No story. Come on, Nita. Move it fast, girl. We trying to eat. You going all slow, girl. Spread it out, girl. Pretty old. All right. Get them pancakes on here, ladies. Circular motions. Little stay in your corner. Come on, Cece. Come on now. There you go. That's good. Not too big. You want them spread out. Go ahead, Cece. Circle them. Go ahead, Nila. Put more, baby girl. Put more, baby girl. That's good. Yeah, good. Make sure the center's filled. All right, Cece. Take your time. Next. On the butter. Take your time. Not too big, please. Not too big.
Fill it, girl. Fill it.
Come on, fill it up, girl. Stay in the center with it. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I have my little pink thing. Let me go get it.
All right. Good. These pink. All right. All right. So we're going to get those on there. Pop. Let's see. Hold it. All right. See. A little bigger. CC. CC, better come see me. Y'all don't forget to what? Like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, baby. Let's get them on here. I think we should turn up the fire just a little bit more, baby girl.
Yeah, I can take it properly.
Yeah. So that's one.
That's 400.
We got the red. All right, cool. Let's get the blue. Nila, scrape out the blue, baby girl. Fill up that one a little bigger.
Okay.
Let me hold it over for you for the heat. Put that one together, yeah. Go ahead. All right, so we are making our 4th of July pancakes. We're gonna have it with, yeah, there you go. Scrape her on the edges. Let me help you out.
We're gonna have it with
Beans and turkey sausages.
And Cece's allergic to beans.
Yeah, you didn't get this in a full circle, but it's all good. All right. Let's turn this fire up. That's on warm. We don't want that on warm. All right. So we're all done with this. All right. Got that. We're going to get these turkey sausages cut up. Let those fry. Get those getting cooking. Like, share, subscribe. All right. How we doing over there, ladies? We got the red, white, and blue on the grill. What we call them?
Red, white, and blue.
Grilled cakes, baby. Yes. So we're going to have we got some turkey sausages here. We're going to cut those up. All right. Get those popping, baby. Oh, you mean?
Yep.
I love your t-shirts. Where you get them?
At livingitpersonal.style.
It's all about living in personal style, baby. Yes. I can't wait for eat. Yes. 4th of July celebrations. I'm flipping. Yes, it is. But
Oh,
you gotta
good.
help you flip these, baby girl. I want you to burn yourself. Okay?
Yes.
There you go. You need some help? Okay. Here.
Uh-oh.
Got it?
Nope.
That's alright. We're gonna speed up these parts.
Yeah.
Hold the camera.
Perfect. Ooh, they all look super good. Last time I had colored pancakes was Christmas, right? Was it Christmas? Yeah. These look delicious. Ooh, these look good. Those look good. Mine is a peach, red, pink.
All right, y'all, what do y'all think? I think those are done. We got our sausages cut up, turkey sausages, and we're gonna do it with the beans on the grill. What do you think? Those are done, girls?
These need a little bit more time.
I think those are done. That's fine, baby.
Done.
That's fine.
It's raw.
It's wrong. You want me to get it off for you? All right, hold the camera. Yes. Ooh, look at those.
Those pancakes.
Yes, we love to eat around here, baby. We definitely love to eat. Yeah.
Oh, yep, it's cooked.
It's cooked. Put it on there.
It looks good.
Oh, that one, yeah, it's got a nice little color to it.
Cece, which pancake would you like?
No, put them all on one plate. Just take them all out. Are you paying attention? Yes, delicious. Pay attention, that's the stove. Gotta pay attention. Hot.
Uh-oh, speaking.
Back up a little bit, give her some space.
They smell really good. I wish you guys could smell this.
Those look delicious. Careful, careful. Yeah, a little heat in the kitchen sometime. Be careful. Ooh.
Okay.
Just push it up against and go. Push it up against and go. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's how you do it. Push it up against and go.
Yep, I burnt myself a couple times in the kitchen when I was making my cake. Okay, there we go. So I think I'm just going to finish this off.
No, we got to put the sausages on there.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so pause that. Alright, so we got our little mini stack of red, white, and blue here, girls. Looks delicious. So we are ready for our sausages. Alright, let's get this butter spread out. Spread out. Cece, throw the onions on the grill in the butter. No, come on, one place, please. Come on. Yeah, scrape it on up, girl. Get it on there. Pass the bug. Pass the onion bug. Okay, let's turn it up. We need some smoke up on here, boo. Some fires up on here. Yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button. Share with your friends and family. This is Cooking with My Girls. I'm your host, Nicole, with my two beautiful empresses here. It's all about bonding, coming together, and teaching your kids the basic fundamentals and how to help themselves. But children, kids who are watching, girls, tell them,
Safety first. Ask your parents if you can do this with them.
Okay, make sure there's always an adult in the home, honey. All right? Yeah. All right, we got those on there. Let's swag them around a bit. Swig them around a bit. Swig them, swig them, swig them, swig them, swig them. Yeah, baby. Put them onions. All right, Cece, throw the sausages on there. I need to scrape the beans on this side. Here you go, honey. Be careful the edges. Get them on there, girls. Cece, be careful. Don't do it like that. You got to be careful. Just put them down. Yeah, don't throw them from so high. It's not safe. There we go. All right. That looks delicious. All right, let me do the fire side of this. All right, get the dried herbs, Amelia. The bottled herbs, our Goya. You know, our favorite. Our Goya. Our Goya. Could you sprinkle some on? Sprinkle some on. What you doing there? CC, better come see me.
I'm gonna wash my hands.
Good job, that's enough. All right, then I want to sprinkle just like a little tab of water on it. Just a little tab.
I don't want dry sauce.
Oh, the sausage is too dry. Then when they're cooked up some more, we're going to combine them together with the beans. But we just want them to get some color, honey. Color, color, color. Hey, y'all. Welcome back. All right, so y'all see me here ghetto as hell. We're going to combine all this together, y'all. Yeah.
That has to be rock.
Yeah. Get our sausages and our beans together, girls. Delicioso. Look at that, y'all. Let's turn it down a tad bit. We add a little tip more water, just a little tip, I know. Yeah, I want my sausages just a tad bit darker. What y'all think, girls? Hey, y'all. So tell everybody about your girl self. What are your talents? What do you like to do?
Well, I like gymnastics, karate, and baking. I like makeup, singing, dancing, karate, and gymnastics.
And mommy like to cook and enjoy my girl. All right, y'all. So we're gonna let this cover up one more time. I want my sausages a little darker. Delicioso. All right, y'all. Y'all see we got our red, white, and blue pancakes here. Our sausages are all done and beans. Get them all scraped up. Like that. Let me get that one.
Look at our pancake.
Get it all together, boo. Yes. Y'all don't forget to
Like, share, and subscribe.
I sure do. This is our 4th of July brunch.
Because it's like...
It's simple, it's quick, it's easy.
And it's fun.
And it is definitely fun. It's all about bonding time with the family. And there you have it, y'all. There you have it. So, this is our 4th of July brunch. It's a little messy, but it's okay. That's what happens in the kitchen.
Wait, Mommy, we're missing something.
What?
Syrup.
Get the syrup. We are missing the syrup. Right under here. Got it? Got it. All right, y'all. There you have it. It's our 4th of July brunch. Look at that. You know we love the old school classic Aunt Jemima. You can use honey if you like. All right. It doesn't have any sugar, but just for fun. All right, guys. There you have it. Let's hold our plates. There you have it. Hold your plates. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining us with Cooking with My Girls. Don't forget to
like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our latest videos.
There you have it.
Bye. Thank you for joining us.
What's your food?
Go ahead.
Cece, what are you saying? What's your ratings on your pancakes?
I give them 100 ratings.
I give them 300 ratings.
All right, girls. Love you, girls.
Okay, Mama.